This is such an enormous structure. I had to share it with you guys. It's a tree that's been bent, and it's not big around. It starts down here going into the ground, but what I want you to see is here it goes. You can see it going through the middle of the picture here. It's going up through the debris. It's going up and coming down now. Now we're coming down to the live part of the tree. This tree is still alive, and they have brought it completely down to the forest floor. Now I'm going to show you, they've also got some mishmash in there. But now watch this. Now we're going to go along the bottom so you can see all the way from there to there where the tree's coming out of the ground. And again, up through, all the way up. How big is this tree? 60 feet, 70 feet? Pretty doggone awesome, wouldn't you think? Pretty doggone awesome.